Teeth whitening is generally considered safe when performed by a trained professional or using over-the-counter products as directed. However, like any cosmetic procedure, there are potential risks and side effects associated with teeth whitening. It's essential to be aware of these risks before deciding to undergo teeth whitening treatment. Here are some potential risks. One of the most common side effects of teeth whitening is increased tooth sensitivity. This can occur during and after the treatment. Sensitivity is usually temporary, but it can be uncomfortable for some individuals. Whitening agents can irritate the gums, leading to temporary inflammation or discomfort. This is more common with over-the-counter products or improperly applied professional treatments. Some teeth may respond differently to whitening agents, resulting in uneven whitening. This can be more noticeable if you have dental restorations, such as crowns or fillings, which don't whiten like natural teeth. Excessive or prolonged use of teeth whitening products, especially those with higher concentrations of bleaching agents, can lead to enamel erosion and damage to the tooth structure. Some individuals may be allergic to the ingredients in teeth whitening products. Allergic reactions are rare but can include gum swelling, itching, or redness. During or after the whitening process, some people may experience temporary discomfort or a burning sensation in the gums or teeth. After the whitening treatment, teeth may experience a color rebound effect, where they gradually return to their original shade over time, especially if proper maintenance and oral care are not followed. Teeth whitening may exacerbate existing dental issues, such as cavities or cracks, as the bleaching agents can penetrate these areas. Following proper aftercare instructions and maintaining good oral hygiene practices can help minimize potential risks associated with teeth whitening.